watching The 7 from WATE 6 on your side.
Good evening, I'm Bo Williams, and welcome to The 7. Let's get a look at the big 7 stories right now. And the biggest of those, a pause for sure, and maybe even an end to the Knox County Schools mask mandate. It is something those on both sides of a lawsuit wanted to happen. A federal court Judge Ronnie Greer agreeing with the joint request from parents who sued for the masks originally and the Knox County School Board on the receiving end of that suit. Now, a week ago, the sides asked Judge Greer to allow the move based on new CDC guidance and improving COVID-19 numbers, bringing Knox County into the low level of community spread for the virus. His new order allows the masks to go away for 60 days while the case now goes to mediation. Now, State Representative Jason Zachary calls the change long overdue. Along with Mayor Glenn Jacobs, he's supporting a lawsuit from other parents aiming to get rid of the mandate totally. With this order only running for 60 days, Representative Zachary feels it's important to keep pressing that effort.
That the plaintiffs in this suit still have control over our county, which is why we continue to push forward to vacate this order, because in the judge's order, it said the plaintiffs, the decision could be overturned if the plaintiffs come back and ask for a revised order. So it's important to remember that this is not over. This is just a reprieve while our school board and the plaintiffs walk through mediation.
As for Mayor Jacobs, he's thrilled about the pause, but like Zachary notes that this is only temporary. He feels questions need to be answered about the power of the Board of Education and CDC guidelines. Plus, he raises a question about the Americans with Disabilities Act, writing in a statement, quote, "We can't forget this case potentially impacts more than the 60,000 public school students in Knox County and could become a precedent for judicial expansion of the ADA nationwide." Our next Big 7 story, a cybersecurity issue at East Tennessee Children's Hospital. We don't know what the hospital CEO means exactly by the word issue, but it is prompting the hospital to tell parents, call ahead if your child has an appointment tomorrow. That's specifically for the hospital's downtown campus and covers outpatient tests, appointments, and procedures. The hospital's tweet also thanks parents for their patience during, quote, this challenging time. Now, a separate tweet notes that X-ray services will not be available at any Children's Hospital Urgent Care Center. We don't know if that is related to the IT issue, and the hospital says it released all the info it can. Children's did note it is still able to care for patients and is trying to minimize disruptions. Now, CEO Matthew Schaffer says, quote, maintaining the safety and security of our patients and their care is our top priority. Well, a big story lingering from the weekend, an officer-involved shooting. Let's get you up to date. It happened in Monroe County, and as of tonight, TBI says agents are continuing to work to determine the series of events that led up to it. TBI says this started when deputies chased a person suspected in a separate shooting from Saturday evening. Now, the person deputies were after stopping in Madisonville after his car became disabled. TBI says the person then brandished a gun, the deputy firing his service weapon. We're told the person deputies were after was taken to the hospital. No word on their condition at this moment. Also on the Big 7 list, a push to help more African Americans in Knoxville get vaccinated. Fewer than 500,000 black Tennesseans are vaccinated, and that's one reason the Knoxville Area Urban League is working now to hire 20 community health navigators. The National Urban League secured $11 million of federal funding to help get shots in arms. $1.4 million is going to the Knoxville location and 5 other chapters across the country to help increase those vaccination numbers.
We communicate, we get people to participate, and then we vaccinate them through New Directions Healthcare Solution. But this new partnership that we have with the Knoxville Area Urban League allows us to identify volunteers that might have been in the New Directions pool of volunteers to now get compensated for some of their work.
They are still looking for 10 or so community health navigators to join the team. You do not need to have a background in health care. They will train you. It is a part-time, 10-month program. These navigators can make $17 an hour, and you can call or email the Knoxville Area Urban League to get involved. Just go to WATE.com for that contact information. Just look for this story. Here's a Big 7 story we're thrilled about right now. Vol basketball programs, both men's and women's, they're going dancing. Men grabbed the SEC Tournament Championship over the weekend, their first since 1979. The Vols are a number 3 seed overall, set for their first tournament matchup Thursday at 2:45. They're going to be traveling to Indianapolis, where they are facing 14th seed Longwood. Now, for the ladies, it's a Saturday, March 19th at 3 p.m. game. You'll be able to watch that ball game, matter of fact, right here on WATE 6 on your side. The Lady Vols hosting 13th seed Buffalo in the opening round here in Knoxville. This is the program's 40th straight tournament bid. And, of course, be sure to join us tomorrow at 5:30 before both games. The Six Sports team is planning in-depth coverage to get you ready, looking back at the season, hearing from the coaches, players, and checking out the opponents they're going to be facing. Again, our Orange and White Nation tip-off special is tomorrow at 5:30. Our final Big 7 story, Dolly Parton saying no, and in the nicest way. Dolly saying today she is bowing out of the voting for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Our homegrown legend says she's flattered and grateful for the nomination, but if you can imagine, Dolly feels she has not earned the right and does not want to split the vote. But Dolly's hoping for a future nomination, as she puts it, if she's worthy. Dolly says she has been inspired to release now a rock and roll album in the future, adding that her husband is a huge rock fan. Now, again, Dolly Parton says she doesn't want to be in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, at least not yet. Dolly tweeting that she is extremely flattered and grateful to be nominated, but she doesn't feel she has earned that right. Again, she's bowing out of the nomination, explaining that she doesn't want votes to be split, but she is saying that she would like to be considered again if she's worthy. We'll let you know, especially if that album comes out.